This is by far the best knife I've ever owned. Look at how small it is. Small Sebenza 21INSINGO blade, carbon fiber scale. Oh my gosh, it just comes out so smooth. This lock disengagement is when I push forward, it feels like it's on bearings. It's so smooth to disengage. I've never had that in a knife. This thing weighs nothing, but look at that. The action. This is like 50 times better than the large Sebenza that I had. Came with the lanyard. I took it off. All 4-finger grip. But I'm telling you, it is so lightweight. This thing is amazing. It just disengages so smooth. Yep. New favorite knife. Instantly. Right out of the package. I just can't believe how light it is. Carbon fiber scale, very strong. Let's see if I can make it drop. There, see how free it does drop free. I just gotta get it. And it came like this. Knifeart.com. Came like this right out of the package.